Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Rogue engine filter. First, gather your tools, a new engine air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch. Now, open the hood and locate the large black plastic air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's typically a rectangular box. Next, you'll need to open the air filter housing. Depending on your model, you might have metal clips to unfasten or a few Phillips head screws to remove. Gently lift the top half of the housing to expose the old filter. Take a moment to notice how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly install the new one. Remove the old, dirty filter. Before inserting the new filter, quickly wipe out any leaves or debris from the bottom of the housing. Now, carefully place your new engine air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits perfectly flush and that there are no gaps around the edges. The rubber seal of the filter should create a tight fit against the housing to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. Finally, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into its original position. Ensure all tabs align correctly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are secure. This simple maintenance task helps your engine breathe better and perform efficiently. It's a good idea to replace this filter every 12,000 miles or once a year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.